Good morning, everyone. It's James in Japan. You're looking at my homemade cinnamon roll. That's right. I made it myself. This is my dough. I use flour, water, milk, sugar, and a bit of salt and yeast. After I activated the yeast, I added it to the dough, and then I kneaded it for about 10 minutes. And then with a damp cloth, I let it sit here overnight. And once it doubled in size, I punched it and kneaded it some more, and then laid it out on this cutting board. This dough is super soft. This is fantastic homemade dough for cinnamon rolls. And this is my filling: cinnamon and sugar and melted butter. So once I stretch this dough into a rectangle with this rolling pin, I covered it with butter, and then I added the cinnamon and sugar, and this is the result. And now I'm rolling it. So I'm going to continue rolling this and cut it and put it into the toaster oven. I'll show you the result after. Look how beautiful they are. Okay guys, I'm talking about the cinnamon rolls. It's time to bake, you guys. This is my Japanese oven toaster. High power, 1000 watts. I'm going to try to cook it for about 10 minutes. Notice I have an oven sheet. I'm hungry. I'm gonna have a little peek. Oh my God, they look fantastic. Look at the filling, it's sizzling. Wow. The cinnamon rolls are done. I couldn't help myself. I put some frosting on them. This is Betty Crocker's frosting. Vanilla. I brought it from Canada. Anyway, the smell is awesome. And they are super soft. Super soft. Oh, guys. I wish you guys could smell these. They are so delicious. A taste of home. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Yum.